So once again, welcome back to my video. So this is a mathematics guide 3.0. I don't know what is in there. So in the previous classes, we have finished up to two types, two methods: the way of factorizing, not the factorizing, the way to solve equality equations. We have done by factorizing method and another by completing whole square methods. And while starting the completing whole square methods, we have also derived the formula to find out the to solve how to solve the quadratic equations. So that formula now we are going to use today's chapters. So that formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac whole divided by 2 times a. So that formula we are going to use today while solving the quadratic equations, and I think this one is the most convenient formula while solving the quadratic equations. So there are no restrictions. You can do by either of those three methods. First one factorizing, the second one completing square methods, and the third one, which we are doing right now, we are going to do. So that one is by straight using the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by whole divided by 2 times a. So if you can remember the formula, then it will be very easy for you. So very short and easy for you to do this. So without a delay, let's move into the video. Okay, now let's the video get started of the today's chapters. So this one is a solving of same quadratic equation by using formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we are going to solve the quadratic equations by using direct formula. Okay, this one, I think this one will also be the most convenient for you students while solving out the quadratic equation. So I'll be doing some of the examples like is shown in the board. For example, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Let's go into that first of all. Let's go. Okay, so in the previous exercise we have done by two methods. First by factorizing methods, then by completing square methods, then after now by using direct formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by whole divided by 2a. And if you can remember this formula, then it will be very easy for you to do this way. So how to solve this equations, quadratic equations? You see there we have been we got some of the quadratic equation given here. For example, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now compare this equation with ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. We get a is equals to nothing here means 1, b is equals to, we got minus 3 here, and c we have 2. So now you can directly use formula. Now x equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now just replace the value of a, b and c. So minus b we have minus 3 minus 3 plus minus b we have minus 3 squared minus 4, a we have 1 and c we have 2. So divide by 2 times a we have 1. So minus minus, this is positive 3 plus minus 3 squared we have 9, 4 to the 8. Okay, so 2 ones are 2. Or x equals to 3 plus minus 9 minus 8, that is root 1 divided by 2, or x equals to 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2. Now you can take positive sign and negative sign. Take positive sign, another take negative sign. So while taking positive sign, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, you get the value 2. But while taking negative sign, 3 minus 1 divided by 2, you get 1. So there are two values for x. One is 1 and another is 2. So in this way, we solve the quadratic equations by using this formula directly. And also there are some of the we have extract these questions out from the Vedanta Excel book, page number 173, exercise 8.3. So I'll be doing some of the basics, just like 3 number A and H, and 4 number D and E. Okay, we'll be doing that. So I hope you enjoy this, you understand this, how it is done. So let me rub this. If you wanted to take a screenshot, take a screenshot and copy this, and more often try to do by yourself. Okay, so let's move on to another 3a. I'm going to rub this. So this is how it is done. It is the most convenient. So it's better if you remember the formula. Okay, now let's go into this. Now 3a, we have 3a x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. Now compare with x squared, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. You will get a equals to 1, a equals to 1, b is equals to, no, there is no x component, so we have 0 there. Okay, and c we have negative 4. Okay, so there is a this x, the coefficient of x, there is 0, so x times 0, it becomes the whole part 0. So there's some x power 1 variable is absent, so we consider b value is equals to 0. So b is the coefficient of x. So now we know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times the a. Now minus b we have 0 plus minus b we have 0 minus 4, a we have 1, and c minus 4. So this one is, and 2 times a we have 1. So plus minus 4 for the 16, 4 for the 16, 2 on the 2, or x equals to plus minus root, let's not throw it, plus minus root plus minus 4 root 16 divided. Okay, now x equals to plus minus 2 to the 4. Okay, root 16, that is equals to 4, under root 16 is equals to 4. Now 4 divided by 2 remaining 2. Now we have the both value for x, that is positive 2 and negative 2. One is positive 2, another is negative 2. Now let's move on to the next, number h. Similarly, this one is very easy. Similarly, number h, 3h. Let's see 3h. In this case, 3h, 15x squared is equals to minus 10x, or okay, 15x squared, let's move to the left hand side, it becomes positive 10x equals to 0. Compare with ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. When you compare this equation with this, you will get the value now here. A is the coefficient of x square. X square coefficient we have 15. B, x coefficient B, we have 10. Now here comes 10. Now C, constant, we don't have constant term, so that is equivalent to 0. Now the process is same, just substitute the value A, B and C. Now let's see. Minus B, minus 10, plus minus B, we have 10 square, minus 4 times A, we have 15, and B, C, we have 0. Whole divided by 2 times A, we have 15, minus 10 plus minus, now this becomes 100 minus 0, divide by 2 15s are 30. Now let's move to the other side. Minus 10 plus minus 10 divided by 30, minus 10 plus minus 10 divided by 30. Okay, now you take the positive sign and negative side. Okay, first taking positive sign and another taking negative sign, just like the previous one that we have done. Look here, x equals to minus 10. Why do you take the positive side here? Now you remove the negative sign. Okay, while taking the positive sign, this becomes minus 10 plus 10, it becomes 0 by 30, that means 0. Now another one, while taking negative sign, minus 10 divided by 30, now this becomes minus 20 divided by 30, now this becomes minus 2 by 3. Therefore there are two values for x, that is one is 0 and another is minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is how you do, how you solve the quadratic equations by completing square methods. So these are the only two that I've done, 3 number A and H, and the rest is up to you. You complete the rest by yourself. Try to understand the procedure, how it is done. So let's move on to the next questions, 4D. So basically such type of questions will be asked in the questions 4D. Yes, so it is very important. Let's move on to the 4D. Okay, 4D, we have x square plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So this is the equations. We'll be doing this type of equation just like we did in the very first example. So comparing this equation, with what? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We get a equals to 1, b is equals to 2, and c equals to minus 8. Now substitute the value. Now use the formula and substitute the value. We know x equals to minus v plus minus under root v square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now just substitute the value. B we have 2 plus minus b we have 2 square minus 4 times a we have 1, c we have minus 8 divided by 2 times a. So minus 2 plus minus, so 4 minus, this becomes minus 4 times minus 8, 32. 2 1s 2. So now minus 2 plus minus 32 plus 4 36 divided by 2, or x equals to minus 2 plus minus 6 divided by 2. Now from here you take the positive sign and negative sign, you'll get the both values for x. Take positive sign, take negative sign. So while taking positive sign, minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2, this is, you just do it category, I'll do directly. Okay, minus 2 plus 6, 4 divided by 2, 2. Another, while taking negative sign, x equals to minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. So this becomes minus 4. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 divided by 2 minus 4. So we have two values for x. One is 2 and another is minus 4. Very easy. Now, so if you I think this one is the most shortest methods how you do how you solve the quadratic equations. Now let's move on to number 4. Yes, number 4D. No, not the 4D. 4D is just we have done. Now let's move on to number 4E. So this will be the last questions for today's video. Okay, let's move to the number 4E. So you might be thinking about how to do this one. So there are other components also mixed in there. Just you don't have to do anything. You just multiply that the right hand side we have 2 times bracket x square plus 3. You just multiply this side. Okay, you just open the bracket, you just multiply this right hand side by 2 and move all the like components, to the left hand side. Okay, left hand side, then operate the like terms, and then after we will be doing by the same methods like this. Okay, so I think if I rub this, it will be a little bit messy, so I'm going to start from right there. Okay, now what you do is I'm gonna rub it right here. I'm going to rub things, so I'll be starting from there. So I'll be needing that, that's why. Okay, let's see. I'm going to rub this one. So some of the remnants. First we have to simplify this one. For number E. For E we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 times 6 is equals to 2 times x squared plus 3. This one is the, what we call that, the equations. Okay, let's see. The half should be done here. Okay, we are trying to simplify this equations into this form. Okay, ax squared plus bx plus c. Then we'll apply this formula by comparing with. Okay, now let's start it. Now 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 times equals to, now multiply that, 2x squared, 2 3 is 6. Now move all the terms to the right hand side, left hand side. Plus 6 minus 2x squared minus 6 equals to 0. Or let's see, 3x squared minus 2x squared, this becomes x squared minus 5x. So we don't have any like terms, that is, so we write minus 5x. Another plus 6 minus 6, did this get cancelled? Now this one. Okay, x squared minus 5x equals to 0. Now compare this with what? X squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the only thing missing is constant term. So you will get the value A. Nothing here means 1. And B we have -5. And C we don't have the constant term is missing. That means C equals to 0. So now I apply that formula. Now you do by yourself. Now I apply that formula. I'm just going to remove this. Okay, I'm just only substituting the formula, substituting the values for A, B, and C. Let's see. We have B there -5. Okay, plus minus B squared -5 squared -4 times A we have 1, C we have 0, and 2 times A. It's okay. Now let's simplify them. So this becomes 5 plus minus. Now this is 25. 25 minus 0. I'm not skipping any. Plus minus. This becomes root 25. You might get confused, so that's why I'm not skipping any steps. So let's, or x equals to 5 plus minus 5 divided by 2. Now take positive sign. First take the positive sign and then negative sign, just like the previous one. First take the positive sign. You will get 5 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 5. Okay. And next, taking negative sign, 5 minus 5 divided by 2, which is 0. So you got two values for x. One is 0 and another is finished. There's nothing more. Very easy. So you focus on this type of questions. If you remember the okay, if you can remember the formula, I think this one is the best, most convenient way to solve quadratic equations. So by saying that, I would like to say goodbye. We'll meet to the next video. So until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel to your near dear friends. So if they also have some problems regarding this exercise. So okay, stay blessed, cheese, and please subscribe my video.